Back pain can really impact your day-to-day life, but chiropractic adjustments offer a helping hand. They can work wonders. Chiropractic adjustments can alleviate pain by realigning your spine, helping you feel more comfortable period by period. Not only that, they can help improve your posture, leading to better overall health and wellness daily. And guess what? Regular adjustments can keep your back healthy, enhancing your quality of life greatly over time. If you're living with back pain, consider chiropractic adjustments today. It could be just what you need.